In this video, we'll see how to use Reddit on mobile. So, let's get started. We need an account to use it. I already have one, but you can sign up for a new account. This is the apps interface. The home tab is where we find posts in our followed communities. Under each post are upvotes, comments and share numbers. The communities tab displays community suggestions. You will find recommended, similar to your followed and other suggestion types. We can always search for new communities from the top. Chat is where you'll find channels to join and discuss. Also, message requests from other users will be found here. Inbox gets your notifications and community updates. Open the left menu to see your recently visited communities. You can see all your joined by clicking the All button further down. Creating a subreddit from here is also possible. Reddit by default shows the top posts in your joined communities, but you can change that. Tap Reddit on the top. You'll see a few options. See the popular posts on Reddit here. This watch interface is for videos in your followed communities to watch, like in TikTok. Scroll down to play next. The latest will show the post in the time order. Tap a post to open it. We have the post stats and comments. Reddit comments have levels. We can see lines before each. This indicates the comment level and what this comment is replying to. For example, the second comment is indent, which means that it is a reply to the first comment. The third is a reply to the second comment. You just need to see those lines and indents to understand comments and replies. Tap the bottom Add a comment to share your thoughts. Like those comments, yours will have upward and downward arrows. Most communities on Reddit have rules. See those rules by clicking See More in a community. Here you'll find the community's description and rules. Read them one by one and abide by those to stay in the community. Your profile and options are here. This is your username with karma and your Reddit age. Reddit has karma that you gain by posting and commenting. It's a vast topic, but I have made a separate video on it. Also, we can have multiple accounts. My other account is this one and it has more karma. Tap Add Account and follow the steps to create one. The anonymous browsing is like using the web in the private mode. You won't be able to post or comment, but you can view the stuff on Reddit. To add a post, tap the Create option. The top is the title and then is the body. Down the bottom are attachments. We can add images, videos, links and even create polls. Then we must choose a community to post to. Once done, tap Post. However, that is not the proper way to post on Reddit. Many communities have restrictions, so it's best to open the community where you want to post. Then tap the Create button. You'll notice that the community is already selected now. Here you can read the rules before posting. This subreddit requires you to choose a flare and tags. Also, as I said, communities have restrictions and this one does not allow adding photos, videos and polls. It only allows text posts. Once everything's set, tap the top Post option to post it. You'll be notified of new comments on your post. The next topic is searching on the Reddit app. The search icon is on the top. On the main interface, we can search for communities and keywords. When you search in a community, the app will only search in that subreddit. Also, you'll find more options such as flares and best and new in this community. Here are all the posts with that keyword. Of course, we can switch to comments and media that contain our keyword. If you search for something on the home interface, Reddit will find posts in all the communities. This is helpful when you don't know where the answer to your question might be. All the app settings are here. You can edit your profile, change your language, adjust autoplay, text size, comments and more. Reddit sends notifications of popular posts in your followed communities. You can stop those notifications for each subreddit from here. Anyway, this is the end. Thanks for watching. Take care.